toddlers called neophobia, where if they're not introduced to food very early in their life, they will suddenly reject it when they are 5 or 6 years old. And, this is why there is a common stereotype of toddlers hating vegetables, because people don't bother to introduce vegetables to them very early in their life. The same thing holds with math. If people don't see its connections to modern life, and if people aren't introduced to it early enough, they will view it not only as new and scary, but also as useless. So that's why our math phobia is developing. And if we can remove that stereotype by teaching it to them early in life and showing its applications everywhere, then I think the math phobia will be significantly reduced.
So how was
The interaction with the mentees were wonderful, and I especially enjoyed getting to meet Dinesh Shur again. It was overall a wonderful experience, and I hope to see everyone here again in the future.
I think this is
It's my third.
He already has visited. So
It's his
Previously
third
have
visit.
been
Third visit, yeah.
So,
So it's annually he
I
is.
think the education system in Guwahati is towards advanced stage, or like it's still developing.
Well, as far as I can tell in India, the education system from state to state is a lot more standardized than it is in, for example, the U.S. But I think that the infrastructure is still developing. There are less people interested in math and science here than elsewhere, but our mission is to help improve those numbers until, it's on par with the rest of India and the rest of the world.
You're still young.
To obtain my PhD and then start full-time teaching and regular research.
Thank you.
Today, our main goal is to protect youngsters from drugs and make our drug-free society. Through this organization, we will organize various types of campaign and anti-drugs free program in college and schools so that we can protect our youth. And I appeal all of you to come and unite us and build our drug-free society. And let's say no to drugs and yes to sports. Thank you.
ইউথ এগেইনষ্ট ড্ৰাগছ ফাউণ্ডেশ্যনৰ জৰিয়তে আজি আমি ৮০ সংখ্যক স্বাধীনতা দিৱসত আমি আমাৰ প্ৰাচীৰ পত্ৰ যুৱ মন্থন যি শীৰ্ষক ড্ৰাগছ বিৰোধী অভিযানৰ বিৰুদ্ধে এই অভিযান আৰম্ভ হ'ব। সদৌতি ৰাইজক আমি অনুৰোধ জনাম যে সজাগতা আৰু সমন্বয়ে এখন সুন্দৰ ভাৰতবৰ্ষ সৃষ্টি কৰিব পাৰে, আৰু এই ভাৰতবৰ্ষখন সৃষ্টি কৰাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত বিশেষকৈ ড্ৰাগছ বিৰোধী অভিযানত আমি প্ৰত্যেকে সমভাৱে একলগ হৈ ইয়াৰ বাবে মাৰ বান্ধি থিয় দিওঁ। সেয়ে আমি আজি এই যুৱ মন্থনৰ জৰিয়তে ৰাইজক আহ্বান জনাইছোঁ, আৰু অনাগত দিনত এখন সৰ্বভাৰতীয় প্ৰেক্ষাপটত ভাৰতবৰ্ষৰ লগতে সোণৰ অসম গঢ়াৰ যি মানসিকতা সেয়াও আমি গঢ়ি তুলিব পাৰিম। সদৌতিলৈ পুনৰ জনাইছোঁ যে ইউথ এগেইনষ্ট ড্ৰাগছ ফাউণ্ডেশ্যনৰ জৰিয়তে আমি প্ৰচাৰ পত্ৰ যুৱ মন্থন আজি প্ৰকাশ কৰিলোঁ। ৰাইজৰ সহায় আৰু সহযোগ কামনা কৰিছোঁ। ধন্যবাদ। ৰাইজৰ হাততো আমি তুলি দিম, আৰু এই তুলি দিয়াৰ লগে লগে আমি জনসাধাৰণক এইখিনি কথাও কনভিন্স কৰাব পাৰিব লাগিব যে এই পোষ্টাৰখন আপোনাৰ ঘৰতো পাৰিলে এখন লগাব। আপোনাৰ শিশুটোৱে চাই আপোনাক সোধক পাপা কি, আমি দেউতা নামাতো, মা নামাতো।